Greetings and assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to another video. This is your host Munib. So in the last video, I have shown you the demonstration about how you can create AWS managed Active Directory. And I have along with created the two users. One is Munib and other user is Ahmed. And in this video, I am going to create three workspaces. One is for AD management, and for rest of the users, these two workspaces will be used for normal usage. And I will join this workspace, the AD with this workspaces. Okay. For configuring AD on this workspaces, I will make a separate video. But for the time being, in this video, I will create three workspaces. I will show you in detail how you can create the workspaces. Okay. So let's jump into AWS account and I will show you what services we will be using for this to create the workspaces. Okay, welcome back. I'm in my AWS account right now. So let me just show you the directory as well as let me just type Amazon workspaces. So as you can see right here, desktop in the cloud. So I will show you the workspace, how we can create it. Okay, so before jump into workspace console, let me just cover the theory of workspace. Okay, so what actually Amazon Workspace is? Amazon Workspace is a cloud-based virtual desktop service provided by AWS. It is considered as DaaS. DaaS means desktop as a service. Okay, in the domain of cloud computing, we have multiple as a service domain. Like we have IaaS, which we called as infrastructure as service. We have PaaS, which we called as platform as a service, and then we have SaaS, which is software as a service. Now there is a concept which we called as XaaS, which means anything as a service. Okay, so it can include like security as a service, ransomware as a service, or like a desktop as a service, or you could add function as a service. There is a service in AWS which we called as Lambda. So we will cover that topic inshallah in the upcoming days. So there is a concept which we called as anything as a service. So it includes everything like security, ransomware, desktop, function, infrastructure, infrastructure, platform, software, etc. Okay, so right now the Amazon Workspace is basically a DaaS service. DaaS means desktop as a service. So Amazon Workspace basically is a cloud-based virtual desktop service provided by AWS. You can consider Workspace as a computer that runs in the cloud instead of being physically in front of you. Just like if you guys use a computer or a laptop in front of you, so you can consider the workspace as a best example. You will be using just workspace just like a normal PC, but it will not be in front of you, just like that. Okay. So why we use Amazon Workspace? It provides the remote access, so you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. It is secure, and your data will stay in AWS. And I will make a separate video how you can make your data more secure so that no one can copy or paste from the clipboard. I will make another video for this, and it is scalable. Okay, so it is cost effective, and it basically a pay as you go service. Pay only for what you use. Okay, so how does it work? So basically, these are the three steps. You just create a workspace. Either you can create a Windows or a Linux workspace, okay? And you can connect to that workspace. Either you can use the workspace client. It is basically a desktop application, which I will cover in the next video, or you can use it through the browser, okay? And use it like a normal PC. So you can install any software, save files, and work it as a regular computer. Okay, so this is the theory I wanted to cover before jumping into the lab one. Okay, So let's jump back into the AWS console and then we can create 3 workspaces. Okay, so I'm in the Amazon Workspace dashboard. So let's just jump into the workspace, which we have two types of workspaces. Either we can create a personal or we can create pools. So let's just create a personal, okay, create workspaces, okay. Uh, it will ask recommend workspaces option to be to me based on my use case, okay. We will stick with this option. Okay, I just wanted to create workspace for what usage? Either general, processing, video development, graphics. So in this case, in general, you will see options like web browsing, email, text editing, data entry, and in processing, there is an option of audio, word processing, data warehouse, entry to mid-level data processing, and business intelligence applications. If you select the video, it will provide you video conferencing, screen sharing, video transporting, or game streaming. Okay. For development purpose, it provides software development or machine learning. And in graphics, you will see 3D rendering and CAD, CAM, or graphic designing. So I will just go with the general option. Okay. And what operating system do your users need? Okay. So just as I mentioned in the theory that either you can use Windows or Linux. So let's just go to the Windows option and then click on next. Okay, so we have bundle type. Okay, so let's just see what bundles do we have here. So if we go to compare option, we have different types. In EC2, we have like multiple types like compute optimized, memory optimized, storage optimized, or high performance computing. So same concept goes in the workspace as well. So we have different bundles like we have value, standard, performance, or power, or power pro, or GPU enabled. Okay. So for performance purpose, let me just go with the standard one, okay? And then we can see how much, what options do we have here. And then we will see we have standard with Windows 10, Server 2019 base, 2022 base, and we have Office template as well. So let me just go with the standard with Windows 10 and Office 2019 Pro Plus, Server 22 based, okay? So I am selecting this bundle, click on submit, and I will select the running mode as always on. Okay. So, okay, we have two running mode. One is the always on and the other is auto stop. Okay, so why I am taking this always on? Because as compared to auto stop, always on will be cheap as it will charge at the per month. Okay, it will bill me on a monthly basis, or if you go with this option auto stop, so it will bill by the per hour. Okay, so sometimes it will cost you more if you select this option. So I am taking this option for demo purpose and click on next. So let me just see if the directory is created or not. Let me just refresh the page. Okay, one thing we can do is if we go to create directory, so let me just see if this thing shows my existing directory, or you can basically use this directory. Okay, this is the directory which we have created in the last video. And for private subnet, let me just go back to the VPC and see the private subnet ID. Okay, I'm in the VPC console. So let me just see 5962 and the private would be 223. 223. Okay, we need to see. Okay, I guess we need to see other private subnet. Okay, I guess even the AZ is not supported in the US region, so I have to select the other availability zone. Okay, so 3 double AF. Okay, 3 double AF. Okay, and let's just click on register. So let's see if this thing register it or not. Okay, so as you can see that we have if we refresh this, so we have selected this directory, and let's just create for Ahmed user, then click on next, and then create workspaces. Okay, so hardly workspace will take uh, 25 to 30 minutes. In the meantime, let me just create two other workspaces in order to save time. Okay, the process will be same, so there is no any changes except the username. Okay, I forgot to mention one thing. As you can see that we are these two workspaces are being provisioned. Let me just go back to the directory, and we have to create another user for the Active Directory purpose. Okay, so right now I am in Active Directory services, and let me just create a new user for uh, Active. Let me just give it name as AD server. Okay, and let me just give it name as. Okay, so right now I'm creating another workspace, which will be the last. And as you can see, I have created the AD server user, and I will select this user for the Active Directory purpose. And I will cover in the next video that how we can use this workspace as a Active Directory server. So as you can see that following the same procedure for the three workspaces, it is being created and the status is pending. Once these three options created, then I will, in the next video, I will show you how you can connect these three workspaces one by one using desktop client application as well as the browser. Okay, so stay tuned for the upcoming video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will, as I was always, as I will meet you guys in the next one. So thank you so much, guys. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.